Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your subscription with Hulu detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the process of transferring your Hulu subscription, first, log into your Hulu account on the official website or app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the option labeled account or subscription. Click on it to access your subscription details. Check your current plan and subscription status to confirm the transfer eligibility. If you are transferring to a new account, ensure that you have created that account already. Go back to your subscription details and locate the transfer option. Select this option to initiate the transfer process. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your new account. You may be asked to verify your identity for security purposes. Provide any required information, such as your email or payment details. Once the verification is complete, confirm the transfer request. You will receive a notification once the transfer is successful. After the transfer, you can log into your new account to access your Hulu subscription. Check if all your previous preferences and watch history have been carried over. If you encounter any issues during the transfer, consult Hulu's Help Center for assistance. Make sure to log out from your old account to prevent any confusion. Finally, enjoy your Hulu subscription on your new account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.